Use a double-sided tape to temporarily place a panel against the back wall. I'm using these paint sticks as spacers so that later, when we seal the bottom edge, the silicone has room to be pushed into the joint, which will make a better seal against moisture.
Why the uncommon size?
Barker's convenient 5-foot panel makes a perfect tub surround. One for the back wall and a second cut in half for the 2 side walls. Cut panels with a fine-tooth handsaw or a circular saw. A carbide-tipped blade is recommended. Be careful that the panel does not break or tear as you reach the end of your cut. Measure the center point of your fixtures. Be sure to check your measurements. A hole saw is an excellent choice for cutting the round plumbing holes. Remember to seal these new edges against water with 100% silicone. Place cut edges in the corners so that the silicone will hide minor chips. Never force panels into position. Check the corners to ensure that the score lines meet. Now place your end panels and examine your tub surround. Check that the score lines are horizontal and line up from panel to panel. When you are satisfied, continue. Mark the walls along the top edge of the panels. For each full-size panel, use 1-quart can of Barker adhesive.
Do we apply the adhesive on the wall or on the panel?
Doesn't matter, whichever is more convenient. Today we'll apply the adhesive on the wall for the large 5-foot panel. Adhesive placed on the back of this panel may end up in unwanted places. Once all of the adhesive is on the wall, trowel it evenly about. Barker panels can be glued to any solid flat surface including cement, cement block, and even ceramic tile. Cement and cement blocks are porous, making it necessary to apply adhesive onto both. You will need to double your adhesive requirements for these types of surfaces. Approximately every 5 minutes, apply hand pressure until the panels are sticking everywhere. Trowel the adhesive.
Barker's instructions say seal all edges against water with silicone. I think plastic would be easier.
Would you use plastic moldings with ceramic tile? I'll show you a better way. Start with one corner. Place masking or painter's tape along the length of both panels. Now silicone the joint.
Does it matter in which direction you move the caulking gun?
You should push the cartridge like this, into the seams, forcing the silicone into the joints. Now for this handy caulking tool.
Which tape should we be using?
We'll use a wide tape. That way, any excess silicone will not spill onto the Barker tile and will simply be removed with the tape. Silicone will begin to dry in less than a minute. It is crucial that you complete one joint at a time and that you can remove the tape immediately afterwards. Did you notice the tab on the end of the tape? Do you know why it's there?
That's simple. The tab makes a convenient handle for removing the tape.
The Barker caulking tool held at this angle will leave a maximum bead of silicone and at this angle a minimum bead. Now, isn't that easier than moldings and looks better too? Especially the top and bottom corners, which are not only attractive but much better sealed against water than plastic.
Oh yeah, you've done this before.
No, it's really that simple.
What can I do if my panels have rough and dog-eared edges?
It is possible to cut a considerable amount off the edges of the two end panels. They only need to extend past the shower curtain. Silicone caulking is actually rather transparent, so it is very important to apply a color matching paint to this exposed cut. Seal all unpainted areas against moisture with only the best, Barker color matched 100% silicones. The panels clean easily with any spray and wipe bathroom cleaner. For more stubborn stains, we can use mineral spirits.